Smart Lock Networking Tutorial. Step 1. Download the Tuya Smart app. Search for Tuya Smart in the App Store. Click to download. Users who have already downloaded it can open it directly. Step 2. Log in and create a family. If you have not registered before, register an account first. If you have registered before, you can log in with your account and password. Click My, click Family Management, and click Create Family. Fill in information according to your needs. Click City Location. Click OK. Click Save and return to the home page after completion. Step 3. Add device. Wake up the smart lock and press 8 to enter the network configuration mode. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Click Add device. Click Camera lock. Click Door lock or Bluetooth. Click Start Bluetooth network configuration. Click Next. Wait for the device to connect. Click Finish after adding successfully. Step 4. Remote unlocking. Press the key icon and slide it to the right to remotely unlock. Press the key icon and slide it to the left to remotely lock. Click Log to view information. Return to page. Step 5. Temporary password. Click Temporary password. Choose the temporary password type and enter the expiration time and password name according to your needs. Click Get Password. Click Finish to return to the page. Remote temporary password unlock. Step 6. Member Management. Click Member Management. Click Administrator. Click Add for fingerprint. Click Start adding. Enter fingerprint. Press 5 times in a row. Please note that you should enter fingerprints from multiple angles each time to ensure that the fingerprints are entered completely. Enter a name according to your needs and click Finish. Click Add for password. Enter password and name as required. Click Save. Click Add on the card. Click to start adding. Enter the card. Enter the name as required and click Done. Return to the page. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Select the member type according to your needs. Select the name and enter the account according to your needs. Click Save. Click User. Click Add for fingerprints. Click Start adding. Enter the fingerprint and press it 5 times in a row. Please note that you should enter the fingerprint from multiple angles each time to ensure that the fingerprint is entered completely. Enter the name according to your needs and click Finish. Click Add for password. Enter password and name as required. Click Save. Click Add on the card. Click to start adding. Enter the card. Enter the name as required and click Done. Return to page. Step 7. Smart Application. Click Smart Application. Turn on Family Return Home as needed and click Save. Turn on Door Lock Alarm as needed and click Save. Return to page. Step 8. More Settings. Click More Settings. Choose Open or Close Remote Unlocking according to your needs and click OK. Click Double Verification to select Double Verification according to your needs. Click Auto Lock to select Auto Lock according to your needs. Click Reset Button Limit to select Reset Button Limit according to your needs. Click on Anti-Pry Detection to select the Anti-Pry Detection according to your needs. Click Door Lock Volume to select Door Lock Volume according to your needs and click OK. Click Always Open Mode to select Always Open Mode according to your needs. Click Door Lock Language to select Door Lock Language according to your needs, and click OK. Return to page. Step 9. Delete the device. Click Edit in the upper right corner. Click Remove Device. Select Unbind and Clear Data, and click OK. Step 10. Add a gateway optional. Plug the gateway into the charging head. When the indicator light turns on, you can add the gateway in the Tuya app. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner and click Add Device. Click the detected Bluetooth gateway. Select at Home Wi-Fi, enter the password, and click Next. Waiting for device to connect. After adding successfully, click Done. The mobile phone has been successfully paired with the lock. Click Bluetooth Gateway to enter the operation page. Click Add Device at the bottom and select Add to List. Please select the sub-device to add, then click the Confirm button in the upper right corner, waiting for device to connect. After adding successfully, click Done. The gateway and the lock are now matched successfully. Open the device and slide the key icon to unlock it remotely.